You will receive an email from Sycamore School to log in to our Oak Hill Academy site. It includes the school ID 3285, your username, and your password. You will be clicking here to log into Sycamore in your email, and you will need to change your password immediately. And just make sure that you look for that green success button, then you know that that's been done. After you have changed your password, you will also need to go in and make sure that you allow the pop-ups from your browser to be enabled for Sycamore School to get the full benefit of the program. I'm going to click on School Home. So this is the basic page, the home page of your Sycamore School. To see your child's information, such as missing assignments and grades, you're going to go to the right and click Profile. And when you have Profile, there's different tabs along the top, and we're in the General tab, and you'll see that missing assignments are right here. You can click on anything that's blue in Sycamore, and then that will open up additional information. So this is information on the research assignment that is under the missing tab. You can also go to the documents to see the report card, and under grades is where you're going to see your child's grades, and the classes are listed. This is just a test child, so there's not a lot of classes on here. The number, that is the grade, and then to see information about how that number was calculated, the grade, you click on the blue box, and as you can see, here is this missing assignment that's listed again. It's highlighted in pink and categorized as missing or late. And there's also a schedule tab where you can see your child's schedule and attendance. So that's just some of the basics of how you can check, and there's various ways you can see that information. Again, I just went over to the right and I clicked on Profile. You can also click on these other items, and make sure that you log out when you're complete looking at the information for your child. Thank you.